How to add bio on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add bio on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open a VK and then click on your profile here in the top corner, and after that just click these three points here, and then click edit profile, and that's it. Once you're here, just click this one, short bio. Share something about yourself, click on it, and then type here anything you want. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.